Hi everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Tech World. Today I'm going to show you how to create Viber group quick and easy using your Android device. Simply keep watching the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have not yet, also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Viber sends and receives messages and calls through the internet rather than traditional cell networks. This means you can send anyone an infinite amount of messages and phone minutes. So in that case, you can do that by creating groups on Viber. The first thing to do is to simply tap Open Viber application from your app drawer and make sure that you're logged into it once logged into Viber. Make sure that you tap on the Chats button at the bottom of the screen. And once you do that, tap on the new chat icon at the bottom right-hand corner right here and tap on New Group at the top of the screen. Select the people that you'd like to add new group by tapping on the list displayed on the screen. The maximum number of participants is 250. So simply go ahead and add as much as you like and tap on the next button that has an arrow button pointing towards the right side of the screen. Now given a name for your group, if you want you can also upload a picture of your group by tapping on the camera button and upload a picture from your camera library, or simply take a picture right now from the camera. Once you upload a picture for yourself as well, tap on the tick mark at the top right hand corner and wait for a few seconds, and there you have successfully created a group on Viber. Send in your first message by typing in your message at the bottom of the screen, and there you go. That is how you can easily create a group on Viber. If you tap on your group name at the top of the screen, you will be able to see further information about the group. You can also keep adding participants by tapping on Add Participant. Select one of the contacts from your group and tap the tick mark at the top right-hand corner. That way you can easily create a group for Viber. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.